Have you got Elise's lollipop? Where are you going with that lollipop?
Maggie.
Are you going to give it to Maggie? Are you going to give Maggie the lollipop? Are you going to
Elise
give
will be
Maggie,
after you.
Maggie the pop? Thank you. It's a good girl.
You better not open it. Chloe.
Yes, what is that? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Hello.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Yes, Daddy.
Where are you off to now? You're going to take it back to Elise? See ya. Bye.
She probably knows where she took it from. It's one of those bags.
Chloe. Hello. Let's put it back, shall we? Good girl. Let's put it back. Good girl. Good girl. Yay. Clever girl. Put it back.